not the point, my friends. When the money keeps rolling in, you don't ask how.
Evita has a couple songs that illustrate economic concepts well. My name's Matt Rosu. This is part of a series where we're examining economic lessons in Broadway show tunes. If you'd like to receive updates every time a new video is dropped, please click like, subscribe, and you can click the notifications bell. You'll get updated each time a new video drops. Let's go to the clip.
And the money kept rolling in from every side. Ever speedy hands reached out and they reached wide. Now you may feel that should have been a voluntary fall, but that's not the point, my friends. When the money keeps rolling in, you don't ask how. Think of all the people gonna see some good times now. Eva's call the hungry to her, open up the doors. Never been a fun like the foundation Eva Perón.
In and the money kept rolling in. We see Eva Perón is really loved, and in part it's because of the money she's giving away. So the quote, right, the money kept rolling out in all directions, to the poor, to the weak, to the destitute of all complexions. So the items she's spending her money on actually give us a good opportunity to talk about what in macroeconomics we would talk about fiscal policy. So this is taxes and spending designed to influence, the government, or influence the economy, I should say. Government and taxes, how are they spent in order to influence the economy? Now, Perón, who's Eva's husband, and Eva, they were receiving money in and spending it out on what we might think of as welfare programs, kind of helping the poor. That is one way, if you're in a downturn, that standard macroeconomics would say to help the economy is with government spending. The other way to help the economy would be with tax cuts, right? One way you're paying money out directly from the government. The other way you are reducing the taxes that come in so people have more money available. Kind of standard macroeconomic theory would indicate if you're in a downturn, perhaps you do these fiscal policies. If you're doing well, though, you should pull back. Now, one issue we see in the United States and many other countries, politicians don't necessarily just have an incentive structure to always do what would be best for the economy. Politician incentive structure is really to get reelected. So you often see spending bills come up when you are in a recession or in a downturn, but you don't often see the spending reined back in. And so this is a bit of the danger of fiscal policies. It has to do with this branch, and I've mentioned it before on the channel, public choice theory. The incentives for political actors should be examined closely because they won't always follow exactly the incentives of the public at large. So it's an interesting issue. Fiscal policy absolutely can be used and has been used to help the economy during a downturn, but it's a tool that if you're not careful, you're just going to end up spending more, going into debt, and then when paying it back, you're going to see a downturn in the other direction in terms of spending on interest payments on the debt, which really doesn't have any value to helping people, right? You're paying in and you're just paying out for debt, literally paying down the debt itself, which once again should reduce the overall economic output for an economy. So my name's Matt Rosu. I hope you enjoyed this. Once again, please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.